Yo, it's delicious. Good soup, day 14. In this video, my old chef is making a soup here. Let me know if you want more videos with my old chef in it. First, just so you know, keep them in water and they stay fresh like this. And we just drain the water out. In a pot, a little bit of rice oil, sauteed the yellow onion and potato. Not too much, we don't want too much color on that. Here's the veggie stock from day 11, followed by the cream or milk. Cover that and cook them off until soft. Once they're soft, then we go ahead and spin it with a stick blender until smooth. Now Nate is just prepping out the rest of the stuff for this cold potato soup. Yes, cold soup. A lot of people are saying, why are you making cold soup? Well, it's summertime, so that's why this entire Good Soup series is cold soups. So let me know down below in the comment section what cold soups you would like to see next, just like this loaded potato soup that Chef Nate made. It's been a lot of fun having my old chef in the studio make really good stuff together. So let me know what else you want to see next. Isn't it to taste? This is that sauce that Chef Nate made. Just going around. And then we garnish it with our secret sauce, cheddar cheese. Here's the caramelized onions, pickled peppers, and then bacon salt. Let us know in the comments down below if you want a recipe for the bacon salt. And there we go. We've got a delicious loaded baked potato good soup by my old chef Nate. Let me know if you want more videos with Chef Nate in them.